saying? We out here, little joint practice action. You know what I'm saying? It's always good to beat up on somebody else.
Let's get it, baby. Let's go.
Get him going, Burns. Downhill.
It's gonna be a great day.
Of the 11 guys on the same page every single snap.
Just to continue to improve. Be some good learning experiences like they are for every practice or every preseason game. Probably make some mistakes, learn from them, and continue to grow.
You already with the Jets? We get this good work, and we come on with that dub on Saturday too, though.
Man, my mama came out. I thought she came out to see me play, but she came from Chris Brown concert. But
Yeah, I think that just the biggest thing is just we want to come out here and compete at the highest level every time we step between the white lines. Yeah, you know, it doesn't matter who we play on it. You know, we always have to be bringing our best every day, and I think we do a really good job of that.
What's up, talking, my boy? Okay, at the end of the day, we're gonna come out swinging, and it's just us. Like Chief Keef said at the top, it's just us. Yeah. So it's just us versus else, no matter who we playing, okay? It's the faceless opponent. Family on three. 1, 2, 3, family! Hey, defense!